My video will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Quantum. This particular ransomware damages the files that customers store on their hard drives. The ransomware encrypts the files and adds its special extension to them. This video will demonstrate to you what exactly this particular ransomware does with the files and how exactly it damages them. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack you are able to open the files, but then because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may damage the files and it adds the special extension to them, so it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea, because there is no guarantee that your files would be restored. We recommend you to, first of all, try to check the task manager of your computer. Sometimes there may be certain process running in the background, and this process might be related to the ransomware. If you see such processes, you need to terminate them, and this could help you save some of your files from being damaged or encrypted by this particular ransomware. But very often this ransomware just encrypts all the files. It also adds the special quantum extension to them. Some people think that removing the extension manually could fix the issue, but this doesn't fix the issue. You still cannot open the files. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware. You may get it on this official resource, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, download the installer, install the software, and start researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial version. Click on Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your system. It will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal, so you should not cancel or stop the update process. You need to wait until the anti-malware database is successfully updated. After that, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Then, after the successful update of the anti-malware database, the program will begin scanning and researching your system. While the scanning is taking place, you could research some of the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Its feature called Anti-Ransomware allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against the ransomware attacks in the future. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, the program will give you the full summary of the threats that were revealed. You'll be able to know their exact location on your computer. Even though some threats can indeed be removed manually, we strongly advise upgrading to premium to delete all of them altogether automatically, and this is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure with a Combo Cleaner premium version.